Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will explain you how to take the user input. For example, we will ask the user to enter the name and enter the age, and we will then print his name and his age as well. So let's begin. So this is the new project that I have created in Visual Studio, and this is the default code. We will write our code in the main program right here. So this is a command. We will ask the user to enter his name. So for that we will be writing Console.WriteLine, and in between these inverted commas I'm gonna write enter your name. So this will be displayed to the user, right? And this should be stored in some variable, so I'm gonna declare a variable here with the data type as string. So this will be name, and in order to take the user input we write Console.ReadLine. Okay, so whenever we run this program, a text will be displayed to enter your name, and the user can then enter his name and it will be stored in the name variable. So let's run this code, and it is displayed enter your name. For example, I write here John, and this text will be then stored in the name variable, right? And now let's see how we can take the user input if the data type is integer data type, right? So for example, if we want to ask the user to enter his age or enter her age, we can write here like this, enter your age. And this time since the data type is integer, so I'm writing here int, and right next to it is going to be the variable age, and we can write here Console.ReadLine. But since this is an integer data type, so first we need to convert this to integer. So I'm writing here convert dot to int 32, and then in between these brackets I'm writing here Console.ReadLine. So that's how we take the user input if the data type is integer. We have to write convert dot to int 32. So now since we have two user inputs, and now let's print the values as well. So I'm writing here a comment print name and age. So for that I'm writing here Console.WriteLine because we want to display something on screen, and I'm writing here hi, and there should be name like hi John, you are 35 years old, right? For that we have to call these variables in the curly brackets. So you are age years old. And now let's run this code if it's work or not. When I run this code, and this shows to enter your name. So for example, the name is John, so I'm writing John here. And for the next user input, it is asking to enter the age. So age is for example 35, and this line is displayed, hi John, you are 35 years old. So that's how we take the user input if the data type is string or the data type is integer. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.